The Dodge gearbox arrived at our repair facility leaking oil, and the input shaft felt rough. Our technicians began to disassemble the gearbox and write their evaluation report. The gear set was in good condition. The seals and bearings were bad and would be replaced. All of the components were ran through our parts washer to ensure a clean working environment. The new seals and bearings were ordered and arrived at our facility. The housing interior and gear centers were sprayed with a coat of red, insulating varnish to prevent any future corrosion. The gear shafts were polished to remove corrosion and assist in bearing installation. The new bearings were installed onto the shafts and assembled into the housing. The housing was assembled and sealed, and the cover plates were polished. Floats and preloads were then checked and set to Dodge specifications. The gearbox was cleaned and painted with a fresh coat of gray enamel. We then checked the gearbox for proper operation and secured it to a pallet for its trip home.